The tapping grew louder, faster, like claws scratching the floor. Suddenly, my bedroom window slammed open, letting in a gust of wind that smelled like something rotting. The shadow disappeared. But I knew I wasn't alone. A low, rasping voice whispered from the corner. Finally, we meet. My reflection in the mirror moved on its own, smiling while my lips stayed frozen. I stumbled backward, heart racing, clutching my phone, praying someone would answer. The whispers multiplied, overlapping, chanting words I couldn't understand, yet I felt them crawling into my mind. Then, the lights flickered violently. In that strobe of darkness and glow, I saw eyes, dozens of them, peering at me from every corner of the room. Before I could move, something cold wrapped around my ankle, icy and unyielding. I fell, hitting the floor as the shadows slithered closer, dragging me toward the mirror. I tried screaming, but no sound came out, only the echo of 1,000 whispers inside my head. And then, the mirror cracked, one long, jagged line slicing across my face. The reflection reached out, pulling me through the glass. I felt myself falling, screaming, my body splitting between the real world and the reflection. Then silence. I woke up in my bedroom, but the room was wrong. Everything was gray, distorted, and upside down. My phone buzzed. I froze. On the screen was a single message. Welcome home.